Hello everyone, this is Longsam's finished product warehouse. It's the final stop for our motors from production to delivery. Please follow me to check it. Walking into the warehouse, we can see a clean and orderly environment where these products are waiting to be shipped. Each cutter motor is packaged in professional box and carton after undergoing strict quality inspection. And outside the packaging, there's clear product information, which is convenient for identification and management. The 5-layer thick cartons we use can effectively resist collisions and wear during transportation, so that the products are delivered to customers in the best condition. To achieve precise management, we use an ERP system where our staff can create shipping orders and quickly obtain all product information from production to delivery. Then our warehouse staff will check the information of goods in and out, quickly find the product location, and efficiently complete the operations of goods in and out. Every day, we ship out 7,000 to 9,000 motors from this warehouse. We use advanced electric forklifts to move goods, which greatly improves our delivery efficiency. That's all for today's introduction. Thank you.